Good morning, everybody. I am here to share with you a few styling tips. The awesome people over at Eber sent me an awesome infrared hair dryer, and this bad boy has been very much appreciated, and I love using this thing. It cuts my drying time almost in half, and it's a lot better for your hair. So before we start out, I usually let my hair air dry just a little bit. I do my makeup while my hair is up in a towel just to absorb all the extra moisture, and then I just spray a root amplifier on. I use Red Guts 10. You can find this at department stores, or excuse me, at drug stores or with Ulta. So I just spray it on and rub it into the roots. Just section it off where I need a little bit of body and rub it in. And then I also use this Candy Dry Oil. This I discovered by way of Andy over at Saltwater Dreams, and it also works as a heat protectant, so I just spray this on my ends because this will help with curling as well. And then I just pick through my hair, and depending on the day I'll do a side part or a deep part to the, or I'm sorry, a part down the middle or a deep part to the side. So just go with what you're feeling for the day. And then I use just a round brush to help me while I'm drying my hair. And the key to using this hair dryer is to make sure that you're pointing the heat down. It actually works better for the hair cuticles. And then I use a concentrator to help me get everything going quicker. So we'll get through this pretty quick. Okay, and then the final thing that they suggest before you're finished blow drying your hair, that concentrator's pretty hot, just shoot a cool shot of hair all over to kind of lock in your moisture. So that will be the final step. There we have it. And this hair dryer seriously cuts my drying time in half, which is always appreciated as a mom on the go. So stay tuned. The next video will be using the Eber clipless curling iron. Thanks for watching.